Hello, kid. Well, look over here. What's these? The small white round things? Well, these are the eggs of Mrs. Butterfly. Well, she had laid the eggs on the leaf. Now she was all excited to see her baby. Suddenly, a small baby came out of an egg and found a tiny ray of light hitting her eyes while she laid on a soft place. Mrs. Butterfly was super happy. Finally, her sweet, cute little daughter was born. She carried her from one flower to another flower and showed it to everybody in the butterfly kingdom. And she named her Katrina. Now, sweet little Katrina was tiny. She saw all around there were so many butterflies with lovely colorful wings, and she felt sad about it. Then she thought, why isn't she like her brothers and sisters? She couldn't even fly like the other butterflies. She saw her brothers and sisters flew, jumped, and hopped from one flower to another flower. She thought they were so happy to do this. So, sweet little Katrina was a caterpillar. So, she didn't have wings to fly. Well, sweet little Katrina only had the legs with which she could barely crawl, but she couldn't go to other places. So, her mother, Mrs. Butterfly, used to carry the caterpillar Katrina from one place to another. Now, seeing her sweet little daughter sad, her mother asked her, "What happened, dear Katie? You are very beautiful in the way you look." But Katrina was still sad. She said, "But Mom, I don't look like my brother or sister. They are so very beautiful. They have wings, they can fly. I can't do anything like this." Well, hearing her, do you know what Mrs. Butterfly said? Well, she told her, "Keep on eating leaves so that more and more you eat, quickly you will also be transformed into a butterfly just like your brother and sister." And see, Katrina, just like a sweet little daughter, obediently carried on eating leaves. She went on, and finally she started spinning silk all across her. And then she was in her new house, the cocoon. She slept there for a while. And Mrs. Butterfly knew that when she will emerge, she will be a beautiful butterfly. So, once her sleep was over, she was supposed to come out. Then she emerged as a butterfly. See, she has got beautiful wings just like a brother and sister. So, what did we learn just now? Well, the new house in which Katrina slept for a while is known as the cocoon, and the stage is known as the pupa. So, this is the house where Katrina was sleeping until she became a butterfly from a caterpillar. See, what a great transformation! The caterpillar Katrina had changed into a beautiful butterfly here with beautiful colorful wings just like her siblings. So, this is the life cycle of Katrina. First, she was in the eggs before she was born. Then, as she was born, she was in the form of caterpillar, where she did not have wings like a butterfly does. She could only crawl. And then she started eating leaves, and she slept in her new house called the cocoon. This stage is known as pupa. And finally, when she emerged, she was a beautiful butterfly. Finally, she was adult and then she flew all around. So, Katrina's life cycle was not much different than ours. When we human beings are born, see, we are also in the form of a baby. We also, just like Katrina, can't move around so much. We also crawl. Our parents help us to go from one place to another, just like Mrs. Butterfly took Katrina from one flower to the other. Even you remember when Katrina saw her siblings, her brothers, sisters, or elders, she felt very sad and out of place. She saw everyone was so beautiful. They could go to the places they can. Well, same like Katrina, we kids also feel the same. When we are small, we see our elder brothers, sisters, they can wear whatever they can go wherever they want, and we feel very, very sad. But the fact is, caterpillar Katrina also changed into a beautiful butterfly, and the process is known as metamorphosis. See, metamorphosis is the process which changed Katrina from caterpillar to a butterfly. So, what is metamorphosis? Let's know the definition. Well, the process in which an animal undergoes transformation in its body structure is called metamorphosis. Let's repeat it once again. Well, the process in which an animal undergoes transformation in its body structure is called metamorphosis. So, a caterpillar changes into a butterfly. So, I have a question for you. What is the name of the process which transformed Katrina from a caterpillar to a butterfly? Is it option 1, photosynthesis, or option 2, metamorphosis? So let me tell you the answer. Photosynthesis is a process in which plants make food. So this is a wrong option. So the correct option is metamorphosis. This is the process in which an animal changes its body structure, just like Katrina changed from caterpillar to a butterfly. So, before Katrina changed from caterpillar to a butterfly, she listened to her mom and ate lot of leaves. Similarly, if you listen to your parents and study well, eat properly, and you will also grow up to be a great successful individual. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So, register for free now.